Good evening, students. Let us continue our learning media through these video lectures. In last two videos, in part 1, part 2, we are covering the fundamentals of matrices. In previous video, I covered two types of matrices. One is square matrix, other is rectangular matrix. There I insisted or focused how to represent it in easy manner. With that ideology, you can able to identify if any matrix is given to you, what is its size and which type it belongs to. One is square matrix, one is rectangular matrix. In square matrix, rows and columns will be same. If they are different, they come under rectangular matrix. Now let us see in part 3 video the other types of matrices what we are going to study. Types of matrices, same heading. Continued. Continuation. Third, row matrix. It is also called as row vector. First letter is row, so the matrix must contain only one row. What about columns? More than one. More than one. How to remember? Row matrix. Row should be only one. Columns can be more than one. For example, we can able to show or represent the row matrix. Here, your choice. You can use any letter. For idea's sake, I write capital K. Capital K. As I told you, to name a matrix, we are going to use only uppercase letters, capital K. Here, write 1. Row number must be only 1 by if I take 3 columns. 1 row, 3 columns, size. So, how do you note? Here, K I have taken only 1 row, small k you can take. How many columns are there? 3 are there. Copy 3 times. 1 row, 3 columns. How to name this one? First row, first column element. First row, second column. First row, third column. Enclose them in bracket. For idea's sake, you can show row number R1 this side. It is column number C1, C2, C3. Left side to right side count. So, what is the meaning here? Number of rows must be 1. That's all. Columns can be more than 1. It is called a row matrix or row vector. We can use this row vector name terminology in vector algebra. Once we come across various videos under heading called linear algebra, there we are going to play with or deal with vectors. That's why matrices, coordinate system and vectors are interrelated. Actually, matrices is not a separate branch of the mathematics. It is a sub branch of linear algebra. Later, when we deal such type of topics, there we are going to use this terminology, row vector. Here I have taken idea there. The numbers may be there. For example, if I want to show with numerical example, a 1 by 6 is also example. So it contains only 1 row, 6 columns. So 1 row I take numbers -2. How many columns? 6. So 6 elements must be there in each row, in 1 row. 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One row, 6 columns. Row 1, only one row. C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6. Let us continue one more. Just quite opposite. We have discussed row matrix or row vector. Now we can see the next one, column matrix, or also called as column vector. First word is column. So the matrix must contain only one column, many rows. One column, many rows. So here number of columns must be 1. If the columns of a matrix contain only one column, then it comes under column matrix or column vector. For example, if I take M, capital M, name of the matrix, rows can be more than one. I will take here 4 by 1. 4 by 1. First row number you must write for any matrix. So first it contains more number of rows. 4 rows, only one column is there. Because column number is only 1, it comes under column matrix. If row number is 1, it comes under row matrix. So how you denote? I have taken capital M. Always give importance for row number I told. If 4 are there. So you copy M 4 times in column. Only one column, only one column. First row, first column. Second row, first column. Third row, first column. Fourth row, first column. Enclose them in bracket. This is row number R1, top to down, R3, R4, C1. So far we covered 4 types: square matrix, rectangular matrix. In this video, very brief video on 2 matrices called row matrix or row vector, column matrix or column vector. In next coming video, some more types I am going to cover. Clear? So do share our channel and subscribe with your friends. Keep learning always and update yourself in subject learning process. Thank you.